I want to tell the Sebastian Foundation, the board, I want to tell Jules, I want to tell Guy, thank you, because it makes a huge difference. So this is a what they call a shared house refuge. The ladies come here because they're homeless, and 75% of the women will be homeless because of domestic and family violence. We've actually come into work in the morning and there's been a lady standing here with her kids and they're all in pyjamas because he's decided to throw her out at 3 o'clock in the morning and she's waited here. And they come here because they have no other option, to be honest. It has 6 bedrooms, but the ladies have to share a bathroom and they have to share a kitchen. It was a standard kind of house kitchen, and the doors had kind of swollen and some of it was flaking off. Under our kitchen sink was feral. The cutlery drawer, it just always looked filthy. The floor was coming up. The walls were really dark and dingy. So then when the Sebastian Foundation said that they would come and help us out with our kitchen and that they would give us a whole brand new kitchen, it was just, God, it was amazing. It was just wonderful. Freedom Kitchens were so lovely. The gentleman that came here was so respectful of the other women that were staying here, because of course we're having to do it in a situation, and they were wonderful. They came in, they cleaned, they set it all up. And their kitchen is gorgeous.
The Sebastian Foundation is all about families. We just want to make the lives of families better, and there's 2 major issues that we've concentrated on, and that's mental health and also domestic violence. It's not just a kitchen. This place is going to bring a lot of healing, it's going to bring a lot of fellowship. There's a lot of families that need to connect with each other that have gone through horrendous things, and to have a space like this to sit around these tables and have an actual warm, inviting space that they're proud to sit in makes a huge difference. And we all know that the kitchen, it's the heart of the house. We spend most of our time in the kitchen talking and conversing and connecting as a family, and so that's what we know is going to happen in this space.
And it has dignity, and there's a lot about becoming homeless that lacks dignity. There's a lot about being a woman with children that elicits guilt about being homeless.
When you look in every one of those cupboards, every one is for a different family, and behind those cupboards is a different story of suffering, of heartache.
And so to come into a space that says, no, you deserve to have a nice home, you deserve to have a nice space, and you don't need to feel punished for making this really big decision. And I think that providing that dignity is really, really important too.
You know, we've got wonderful partners that help us. You know, obviously Freedom Kitchens have got involved here.
And they designed it for us. So they didn't just come in and put in a flat pack kitchen. And yeah, so they made it beautiful, they made it practical, and they tailored it. And then when they came on site, they were respectful and dignified, and I was just, I'm in love.
We do everything we can as a foundation to get the funds in and make the most out of that money, and so it's incredibly rewarding.